Hello and welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm teaching my way through the US Top 40 and it's the next one, which is number 27, Whoops by Meghan Trainor. Just listen to it, not too difficult, although there is a key change in this one, which keeps it interesting, of course. Song's in F, so you need the following chords: F, D minor, G minor 7, C. And it's going to be fairly quick actually. Whoops, you messed up. Round around and then you got caught. Whoops, you messed up. Now you're crying about what you lost. Whoops, you messed up. Round around and then da da. But obviously we'll play it a little slower for you because that might be too fast. There's an introduction. It doesn't say you play any chords. I think it's just spoken word. It's the real difference between an adult and a child. Boom, boom, boom. And then we go straight in. Not very common actually. Go straight in with the chorus. So, whoops, you messed up is where we start. Whoops, you messed up. Ran around and then you got caught. Whoops, F to D minor, G minor. Now you're crying about C, what you lost. F, you did me dirty. Hope that she's worthy. You say you're sorry, but I think what you really mean is whoops. We had a good thing with cute ass nicknames. Guess our forever. Our forever what? Our forever turned into never. And then pre-chorus. And she got about half of my good looks with no class. Now you say come back, but I think what you really mean is whoops, you messed up. Ran around and then you got caught. Whoops, you messed up. Now you're crying about what you lost. You did me dirty. Hope that she's worthy. You say you're sorry, but I think what you really mean is whoops, get gone. Pack it up, babe, we done. I said whoops, get gone. That's enough, baby, we gone. We done and we gone and we're out of town. Verse 2. Pictures on your phone, that's called an uh-oh. Thought you were sneaky, but you made it easy. And she got about half of my good looks with no ass. It says ass on Ultimate Guitar, but I'm pretty sure she says class or class on the actual track, both times, because I listened to it. Now you say come back, but I think what you really mean is whoops, you messed up. Another chorus, whoops, you messed up. Ran around and then you got caught. Whoops, you messed up. Now you're crying about what you lost. Did me dirty, babe. Hope she was worthy. You said you're sorry, but I think what you really mean is. We actually go now to an interesting section, the bridge, where she changes it to an A7. We're about to go to a key change. WHOOPS, night, night, bitch, you made your bed. That's the dumbest shit you ever did, ever did. So what were those chords? A7, WHOOPS, D minor 7. Night, night, bitch, you made your bed. G7. That's the dumbest shit you ever did. We go to C. Then we go to a C with a sharp 5. Then we go to a C6. Nice little. See how that went up? See how that went up? Then we go to the key change, which goes up to G flat, upper semitone. We were here, now we're going to be here. So let's do that last part again. Whoops, ran around and then you got caught. Whoops, you messed up. Now you're crying about what you lost. Whoops, you did me dirty, babe. Hope she was worthy. G flat, you say you're sorry. E flat minor 7. A flat minor 7. I think what you really mean is whoops, get gone. Gotta scroll it up. Whoops, get gone. You pack it up. And we done. I said whoops, get gone. That's enough, baby. get gone. Pack it up, babe, hit the road, Jack. I said, whoops, get gone. D flat over A flat. To D flat over D flat. That's enough, baby, we done. I said, whoops. That's how the song ends, with a whoops. That's the whole song. Hopefully I wasn't too fast. I think it might have been a little bit too fast, but you can always rewind or slow it down. And hopefully it was okay. So if you liked the video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching Between the Keys, and look out for the next one. The next one, which is going to be number 28 of the top 40. I Am Not Okay by Jelly Roll. Let's give it a listen. See you in the next one.